Hello and greetings, this is JoyAndSadness here, and today I went to the doctor I got a flat shot for my appointment right here. I can show you guys. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Look, you can see it? Look, see? Got my flat shot for my arm. And then I got a cough, and then I have to talk to my doctor, and then he said, when he's when I get cough, I got coughed a little bit because when my dad picked him up from the school, and then he take me at the appointment to doctor. He has to give me for flat shot, and then I have for appointment. So I'm done with my appointment, guys. That's all ingredients. This is Jonas Riley Anderson, Joy and Sadness. Signing off. Don't forget like and subscribe.